Hello students, how are you? I am Ranjit Pradhan, your mathematics teacher. Today I shall discuss on differential equation. Okay, actually আমার একজন স্টুডেন্ট অনেকেই রিকোয়েস্ট করেছে, তার মধ্যে একজন স্টুডেন্ট শতাব্দ চক্রবর্তী সে ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন উপরে কিছু ভিডিও বানানোর জন্য রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিল। তো সেই কারণে আমি আজকে ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। যদি তোমাদের ভালো লাগে লাইক শেয়ার এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। ওকে, সো লেটস স্টার্ট। Actually, what is differential equation? An equation containing differential term like dy by dx, dx, dy, d2y by dx2. These terms are called differential term. Okay, an equation containing differential term is called differential equation. So I am giving example of differential equation. Suppose d2y by dx2 plus y dy by dx equal to 0. This is a differential equation. Okay, first of all you have to know what is the order and degree of this differential equation. Just see here, highest order, this is a second order derivative, so order of this differential equation will be 2, and the power of the highest order differential term means 1. This will be the degree of this differential equation. Okay, next we will discuss how to solve a differential equation. Okay, suppose if a differential equation is like this, suppose capital D square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to 0. So how can we solve this type of differential equation? First of all, here you have to know what is capital D. Here capital D means ddx. Okay, so first we will consider let y equal to e to the power mx be an auxiliary solution of this differential equation. Then what will be dy by dx? What will be dy by dx? M into e to the power mx. Okay, and what will be d2y by dx2? This will be m square e to the power mx. Just put here all the values. So m square e to the power mx minus 5 m e to the power mx plus 6 into e to the power mx, this equal to 0. Okay, so if I take common e to the power mx, then what will happen? M square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, since e to the power mx is not equal to 0, therefore m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so just factorize this. This will be m square minus 3m minus 2m plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so if I take common m, so then this will be m minus 3 minus 2 into m minus 3, so this will be 0, and this imply m minus 3 into m minus 2, this will be 0. So this imply m equal to 3 comma 2. M equal to 3 comma 2, these are the real and distinct values. If we get real and distinct values, in that case the general solution of a differential equation is c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. Okay, then so what will be the general solution of this differential equation? Here the values of m are 3 and 2, so these values are real and distinct. Because of the values of m, these are real and distinct. So যেহেতু এখানে m এর আমরা দুটো বাস্তব এবং বিভিন্ন মান পেয়েছি, তার জন্য তার সলিউশনটা, তার জেনারেল সাধারণ সমাধানটা হবে গিয়ে y equal to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. So therefore the solution of this differential equation is y equal to c1 e to the power 3x plus c2 e to the power 2x. This will be the general solution. This will be the general solution of this differential equation. So if I take another example, okay, if I take another example like d square minus 4d minus 4d plus 4, d square minus 4d plus 4 into y, this will equal to 0. If I take this example, just see here, same thing, we will put the value of d square y means m square e to the power mx, we will put same value m square e to the power my, okay, minus the value of dy means m e to the power mx, so 4 m e to the power mx, okay, plus 4 y means e to the power mx, this is equal to 0, okay. So if I, so this will be x. If I take common e to the power mx, then what will happen? M square minus 4m plus 4, this is equal to 0. So since e to the power mx is not equal to 0, so we will get m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0, and we can write this m minus 2 equal to 0. So from this we will get m equal to 2, 2. তাহলে আমরা যদি m এর দুটো বাস্তব এবং একই মান পাই, সেক্ষেত্রে তার জেনারেল সলিউশনটা হবে গিয়ে y ইকুয়াল টু, সেক্ষেত্রে তার জেনারেল সমাধানটা হবে y ইকুয়াল টু c1 প্লাস c2x into e to the power mx, okay, into e to the power mx, okay. তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমাদের জেনারেল সমাধানটা কি হবে? এখানে m এর ভ্যালু 2, আমরা এখানে m এর ভ্যালু 2 পেয়েছি। সো দেয়ারফর হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য জেনারেল সলিউশন? Therefore the general solution will be y equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power 2x. This will be the general solution. Of this differential equation. So if I take another example, already two things we have discussed. If we get the values of m are real and distinct, and if we get the values of m are real and equal. Now the case of if the values of m are complex conjugate, then what will be the solution of the differential equation? Okay. So if the roots are complex conjugate, in that case the general solution will be something different. Y equal to e to the power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 plus c2 sin beta x. This will be the general solution, okay. So this equal to, you can write capital D square y minus 4dy plus 4y, this will be 0. Actually d square y means already I have said d2y by dx2, okay, minus 4 dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. Actually this is the previous example. Now I will take a new example, okay. Just I am showing capital D square y means d2y by dx2, capital dy means dy by dx, and this is 4y, okay. Now I will take a new example like suppose 2d square minus 4d, okay, 2d square minus 4d plus 25 by 8 into y, this equal to 0. Okay, 2d square minus 4d plus 25 by 8, this equal to 0. If I take this example, then what will happen? Just see here. So actually 2d square y means 2m square e to the power mx, okay, minus 4m e to the power mx plus 25 by 8 e to the power mx, this equal to 0. Okay. So if I take common e to the power mx, then 2m square minus 4m plus 25 by 8, this equal to 0. Okay. So since e to the power mx is not equal to 0, therefore 2m square minus 4m plus 25 by 8, this equal to 0. So by Sridhar-Acharya formula, if we find out the value of small m, the Sridhar-Acharya formula is, you know, the Sridhar-Acharya formula, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation, then the solution will be by Sridhar-Acharya formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is the coefficient, c is the constant term. Okay, so the value of m will be minus b means plus 4 plus minus root over b square means 4 minus 4 whole square means 16 minus 4 into a into 2, c means 25 by 8, okay, by 2 into a means 2. Okay, so this is equal to, we can write 4 plus minus, just see here, actually this is this will be root over of 4 to 8. So root over of 16 minus 25, root over of 16 minus 25 means root over of minus 9, and root over of minus 9 means we can write 3i. Okay, we can write 3i. So 4 plus minus 3i by 4. Okay, 4 plus minus 3i by 4. So this equal to, we can write 4 by 4 means 1 plus minus 3 by 4 I. So here the value of alpha is 1 and the value of beta is 3 by 4. So here this is the alpha plus minus I beta means these are complex conjugate. So value of alpha equal to 1 and the value of beta equal to 3 by 4. Okay, therefore in that case the general solution will be, just put here the value of alpha and beta. Okay, just put here the value of alpha and beta. So y equal to, value of alpha equal to 1, so e to the power x into c1 cos, beta means 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 x plus c2. Okay, so plus c2 sin beta x means sin 3 by 4 x. This will be the general solution if the roots are complex conjugate. Okay, okay students, if you just like, share and subscribe my videos, then I will get more energy to prepare more videos for you. Okay, thank you, bye, tada.